ladies, this is Mandisa and welcome to the MRE hiking experience. Come with us!
Juice, Matty, first run. First run. Oh.
Hi everyone, this is the MRE family before hiking. Woo! Okay guys, welcome to my sanctuary. Thank you for having us. On your left
It's cool. It's important.
is the waterfall river. Actually, no, waterfall river. Fjord. The what?
Crocodile River.
This is the border. And people, this is the river. This is pretty. Yes. This is not it. Sign up for. This is us 1 kilometer in. Woo!
Bayana Baka.
How are we doing the sign? He's content creator.
I'm just trying my best, honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What else can we do?
That's all I can do, honestly. You know?
No. If you breathe too much, your mind's going to think you die. I think we must get back to it.
Wow. So exhilarating.
You guys know. We're gonna move.
We're gonna left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Woo.
It's too late to turn back. It's too late to turn. This is illegal. We did not give up. We are still going. We are trusting the process and we are healing.
Does the process know you're trusting it now?
I don't think so.
People know it's process I
And what's important This is the MRE family after hiking. We are good but not good, but yeah. I can count to give you one. 1, 2, 3, go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4,
So yeah. Also, we have teens. We have Bamis category. It's very good. Oh, it's very good that you connect. You know, you can find your mentor, go miss. You also can find a little sister, go teen. I guess that's how it works because that's how we are going to crown. We're crowning a teen and a miss. Baba. So your relationship is determined by how you connect throughout the journey. So just because you're in a competition with each other doesn't mean you must compete with each other. what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the letting go ceremony, right? So the letting go ceremony, you need to breathe. That's the first thing I can say. You need to breathe. You need to be open. You need to be willing to let go. Nah? Don't know what you're going through, but you're not alone. I get. So I'm going to start reading. Oh, let's actually start with a breathing exercise. I want us to do this. Industry can make us question ourselves. We find ourselves mostly having to force confidence, force a smile, knowing exactly what we are going through back at home, in our private lives, or whatever the case may be. It can make us wonder if we are beautiful enough, if we are tall enough, if we are confident enough, if we are successful enough, if we are worthy enough. We see other women winning, growing, receiving opportunities, and sometimes we begin to compare ourselves and our journeys to theirs. But comparison is a thief. It's a thief of your happiness, a thief of your joy, a thief of your sanity. Your journey is your journey. Your beauty is your beauty. Your purpose is your purpose. Right? You may open your eyes and you may write down whatever you want to let go.
um, you know. So so there have been situations and pressures that have been taking away my space, because this journey that you are embarking on, it's not a light journey. It really is not. There's a lot that goes into it, and it takes away your peace, it takes away your sanity, it takes away yourselves. You lose yourself in the process. So I lost myself as well, because I thought I was coming down with the flu, but I could see that it's not flu, but today I've just realized that it was all because of the burnout. So at times I felt overwhelmed, and I felt like I carried the weight in terms of the burdens, the one that you spoke to, and I did not did the self-introspection within myself. So today's hike, it gave me an opportunity to pause, it gave me an opportunity to reflect and to reconnect myself, because being in this space, it's away from the beat.
My phone is on 4%. That was so sad.
I am a wellness coach and a mental health advocate. I'm also the founder of Thando M Foundation. So first things first, right? I want us to understand mental wellness. So I'm going to say words and you guys must just say whatever first thing comes to mind, right? We're just doing a brain exercise to get our engines going. So if I say sky, blue, do you understand how it goes? We're going to go around in a circle. You can't say the same word twice. Okay? If you say it twice, you're out. Are we ready? Must I repeat the rules? Okay. So I'm basically going to start off with the word. If I say yoga and someone says wellness, mental, you have to go to the word that the person that just said. Then it flows. Okay. I'm going to start here. Can you go from me to Dineo that way? Yes? Angazi. Yeah. I'm going to after Mandy. Yeah. Okay. Are we ready? First word, blue.
Sky.
1, 2, 3. Out. Out. You see, we have to go fast, okay? It's journal. Writing. Someone said writing, huh? Yeah, can't say writing. Drawing. Therapeutic. Counselor. Wellness. Let's go. Wellness. Well-being. Person. Yoga. Fitness. Maths. Thank you. Stretching. Exercise. Running. Jogging. Hiking. Climbing. Gym. Zipline. Sports. Mountain. Rock climbing. But you see what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to let your mind associate whatever it hears with something else. And the words that you say, it can be happy words, it can be sad words, but you see how your words are associated with fitness because that's what you were doing right now. So that's how the mind works, right? So that was a little brain teaser. Now I want us
hiking, I felt an exciting during the hike, I was exhausted, and at the end of the hike, I was relieved at the end because I was at peace and felt a sense of peace.
Nice. Again, flow of emotions. So now that we have taken time to relax after the hike, how are we feeling now? How are we feeling? Emotions. Are we happy? Are we sad? Are we tired? Are we exhausted? How are we feeling? Sad? How are we feeling now after the hike?
I feel great.
Is it? That's good. That's good. So you're still on a high?
Oh, no, yeah, I am still on a high.
So you just feel great?
Great.
Okay.
Yeah,
that's
great.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Anyone else? How are you feeling? You guys are quiet. How are you feeling? Mandis, how are you feeling? Okay. How are you feeling, ladies? Is it? That's good. That's good. How are you feeling? You feel? Okay. That's nice. That's nice. Anyone else? How are you guys feeling? It's important to recognize how you're feeling. Because if you don't recognize how you're feeling, then you don't know how to act on your emotions. So how are we feeling? That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. That's good. How are you feeling? Promise, how are you feeling? Why are you relieved? You relieved? Oh, okay, that's nice. That's nice. Anyone else wants to share? You ladies are quiet. You feel good. How are you feeling? Good. You sure?
Well, I just realized a lot about myself.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to share?
I say, I thought I did myself.
Okay. Okay. So now I want to ask you a question, right? During our hike, were you carrying any excess weight that made the journey harder? Maybe when you saw the steps climbing up, you thought, yo, there's no way I'm going up there because I'm tired, I am overwhelmed, I'm exhausted, we've been walking already, when is this ending? Right? How are you feeling now compared to then? Think about it. Is it different? And what do you think contributed to that?
I think it's different because, well, in the beginning, I felt like there's excess weight, but in the literal sense of it, because I've been going through like
Well done.
Thank you. So, I was like, video, like, this is going to be so difficult, like, literally. So, I felt like quite relieved when I reached the end. It was like, oh,
You can do it. Yeah.
As difficult as it may have been.
Anyone else wants to share?
The pressure I felt for 10 weeks after, and then the heaviness I felt 10 weeks with the strength.
Nice.
Yeah, then I saw the light.
Nice. Last person wants to share? The difference in your emotions from then and now? We good? Go around. What does wellness mean to you? So when you hear the words mental wellness, what comes in mind? Anyone can answer. For me, it's serenity, it's peace. That's what comes to mind when I hear wellness. Huh? Becoming her, okay. What else comes to mind when you hear the words wellness? Change, okay. Okay, love that. Mm-hmm. Growth, yes. Healing, lovely. So you see the words that I'm trying to build, right? So mental wellness is how we think, how we act, how we move, how we interact with people, how we associate relationships, right? It's basically everything around us. So that's what it means. It's how you navigate your life. Do you have an idea of what wellness is now? So now I want us to, if you have a notebook, please write down, right? Wellness to me means fill in the blank. And then start a new sentence. Are we done with the first one? Start a new sentence, right? When we were hiking, that's your sentence. When we were hiking, I felt. So how did you feel when you started your hike? I felt scared. I felt anxious. I felt tired. I felt overwhelmed. What feeling did you have? So your first sentence is, wellness to me means, fill in the blank. Your second sentence, when I started the hike, I felt, fill in the blank. Give me an emotion. How did you feel when you first started the hike? Third sentence, are we good? During the hike. So think of the halfway mark. When we were up there by the taking pictures, how did you feel? Do you remember that feeling? During the hike, I felt tired. During the hike, I wanted to give up. During the hike, I thought I couldn't go on. How did you feel? Give me an emotion. Maybe you felt energetic. That's us. I don't matter. Then your last sentence. At the end of the hike, I felt. How did you feel when you finally were done with the hike? You felt relieved? You felt sad that it came to an end? You felt happy? You felt at peace? Do we all have the 4 sentences? Are we good? Does anyone want to share? It's okay if you don't. But if you want to share, you are more than welcome. If you don't, it's also okay. But it's a safe space.
The first one.
Just all of them.
Wellness when we were hiking, I felt tired and afraid. And then during the hike, I felt during was ready the rest of the hike. And then at the end of the hike, I felt good.
Nice. Like that. You see how her emotions transitioned? Like water flowing. They transitioned. Anyone else wants to share? We good? You don't have to share if you don't want. Yes?
Overwhelmed, tired, and then during the night I felt challenged mentally. And then after the night I felt lighter,
Nice. Also again, flow of emotions. Like water, you are moving through your emotions and you allowed your emotions to take you from being tired, then down, then same word again. Red.
Valentine's love.
Out. You see, you have to go fast. Okay, from there you have to say a word because she's out.
Orange. Orange.
3,
Orange.
2, 1.
Orange.
Out. Because why didn't you say fruit?
Juice.
Or say color?
Orange juice.
You out, ma'am. Okay. Who wants to start us off with the word? Okay, sis. Start us off.
Notebook.
Notebook. Pen. Page.
Reading.
Reading.
Notes. Studying.
Studying. Studying. Do. In the blank. So the sentence is, wellness to me means fill in the blank. Maybe you can say wellness to me means peace. Wellness to me means being active. Wellness to me means being calm. What does wellness mean to you? Write that down. It doesn't have to be a long sentence. It can be 2 sentences, 1 sentence, 1 word even.
Toyota.
Yes! I don't know why I'm laughing. Okay. Taxi.
One of the great men in history who was able to was part of the revolution, man. Nelson Mandela. Okay, fine. What's this one? Hello, sing a hello. Yes. And then is Sahara. Yes. Kihana Sahara time.